Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail. I'm going to talk about how you can actually make a lot of money off Shopify without ever creating an account and doing any of the work yourself. Now, there are millions of merchants right now on Shopify that are literally making a lot of money, and so could you. You could break away from the financial rat race that you're stuck in and get the financial freedom that you always wanted, and you can discover the reasons of how millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their businesses. Now, obviously, there are a lot of elements over here, from theme building, from store building, selecting the right theme, the aesthetic sense of the store and the landing page, the different apps that are going to be available. Now, all these elements are crucial for you to start a Shopify store. Now, right now, one of the major things which a lot of people tend to face is the fact that they're working a 9 to 5. And the question they ask is that how are we going to spend that much time in developing a business while we're working 9 to 5? And obviously, once it takes off, once we start selling, then we can always quit our 9 to 5 and focus on the business. But what do we have to do, and what are the strategy that we need to get to be part of those millions of merchants globally that are working in 175 countries that are taking part in the $444 billion worth of global economic activity? And that is where this video comes in, guys, because I'm going to go in great detail and I'm going to give you the complete breakdown of how you can actually achieve this while you're working 9 to 5 without quitting your job and focusing on the ability to get the actual work done without putting that much effort into it. Now, all of this comes in two elements. The first one is you need to manage your business. You need to manage your time. You need to manage individuals. The second is having the resource and obviously the financial strategy put in place that makes it possible. And once you combine both these elements together, then you'll be able to develop something that is truly unique. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to this page that's called Shopify Affiliate Program. Now, this is a place where Shopify gives opportunity for individuals to actually market Shopify, where they can create new entrepreneurs and they can earn commission by just doing that. The element over here that I absolutely love is the fact that you can join thousands of affiliates across the globe. Meaning, what basically happens is that if you have a Facebook page, a YouTube page, an Instagram page, and there are followers that are following you, what you need to do is start developing information in regards to how to start drop shipping, how to start Shopify. Even if you haven't done it yourself, you can always have enough knowledge more than the next person to make these videos. And what happens is that anyone that actually gets onto the affiliate programs through your videos, you will actually get a piece of that cake. So how does it start? It's quite simple. All you need to do is click on start earning. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the next page where obviously you talk about the benefits as well. For example, the affiliate invited to join the Commerce Coach program becomes part of a group of world leading figures in the commerce industry, and you receive a payout of each referral merchant. For example, if it's a tier 1 affiliate, you receive $225, and if it's a tier 2 affiliate, receives $150. So you can just imagine the opportunity that you can get. If you get 10 people, you're making at least more than $2,000 a day. And imagine in a month, if you get 1,000 individuals or 2,000 individuals, multiply that by 225. Imagine you're going to make around $22,000 just by referring individuals to start drop shipping on Shopify. It is as simple as that. And once you've done that, what you need to do, you need to head over to AliExpress. Now, I always mention to anyone that wants to start drop shipping is stick with the basic rules. Buy low, sell high. Meaning you got to buy the basic bargain element over here. And especially right now, as we're in that period of time where there's a lot of sales, you can clearly see there's a lot of opportunities that are available. You got products that are being sold for 1 cent. And obviously this is literally the time that you need to buy and make sure that you get a lot of products. And obviously the reason behind that is that right now with Christmas and Boxing Day and Thanksgiving and obviously New Year around the corner, this is where the sales are going to come. And this is the time where a lot of people buy a high level of products to actually sell later on during the year. And obviously you buy them dead cheap in cents, and then even if you sell them for $10, $20, $50, $99.99, $100 to $199, you're going to be making a lot of profit, and the profit margin is going to be massive between of that. Now, what happens, which a lot of individuals tend to ask me, is that fine, we understand that we're going to go on Shopify, we're going to start our affiliate program, we're going to make a couple of videos, we're going to get people involved in it, and obviously Shopify is going to pay us because of the affiliate. We're going to get a couple of $1,000 in our account, and then we're going to use that money to start start growing. So how do we actually do all of that while we're doing a 9 to 5 job? And this is where the confusion comes in, guys, because obviously the opportunities that you have in today's time and period is something that we've never had before. And obviously, since COVID took place, everything has gone online. From everything is being outsourced, everything is being done by someone else. And obviously, if you understand how to manage that strategy and you understand how to manage that perfectly, that is where the money comes in, because the money is not about how much you sell, is but how you sell it. There's a difference between that, because there's a lot of people right now that are doing drop shipping. They're buying products, they're storing it, they might get a bulk from Alibaba and then they store that and then they sell it over the years, but they will be holding a lot of stock, and that literally means there's a lot of risk, because maybe that stock never gets sold and that money never gets retrieved back for you to reinvest it in different products. So you're stuck and you don't understand. So I don't want anyone to feel that kind of pressure on them, because that is a real huge problem for individuals that are starting off brand new into this industry. And if you haven't watched these videos, then that's one of the major problems people tend to face. So our videos ensure that you have a complete understanding of exactly what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. So what you need to do is you need to head over to Upwork. Upwork literally is the place where you can find a lot of talent. You can find individuals and you can pay them by the hour to ensure that they will firstly set up an account for you on Shopify. They'll work on the theme for you. They'll develop everything. They will even search for products for you. All you need to do is pay them to find the products, to find the right products, and to put them on your Shopify. What that is going to do in return for you is going to start building your business. So instead of you investing your time and money, the only thing you invest is money. And obviously, at the end of the day, guys, the saying goes, time is money. So you got to protect your time, because money you can earn, but time is never going to come back. And that is true to a level that whenever you're doing business, you got to keep in mind, you got to buy time, because time is what you have that will never return. And that is the asset that you have. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for Shopify over here. And once you search for Shopify, you'll see all these individuals that are working right now that have a lot of experience. These are top rated individuals across the globe. This individual over here has actually earned more than $90,000 just by doing Shopify, being an expert in custom theme development. He is earning a lot of money. This individual has earned more than $100,000 by Shopify Plus expert with a WordPress web developer. If you hire this individual at $35 per hour, maybe he spends 5 hours or 6 hours every single day for the first month, and he's able to create for you a successful dropshipping business without you ever spending any time. You can go to work in the morning, come back in the afternoon, and maybe you have a couple of hundred sales. Maybe you're making $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 or $10,000 per day, and you're outsourcing all that work. And obviously, you don't need to put that effort in. All you need to do is manage this whole project, manage these individuals, manage the process, and understand the strategy that you need to have. And maybe down the line that you might decide that, you know what, I want to quit my 9 to 5 and focus just on my dropshipping business on Shopify and create multiple stores on Shopify across the globe. And that is where the true financial freedom comes in, guys. So if you have any questions whatsoever, and if you don't understand what you need to do and how you need to do it, I'm available. You can always drop me a message in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. If you have any other questions, do let me know as well, and I will help you in regards to your questions and answer them as best as I can. If you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to get financial freedom in today's time and period. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.